We will discuss the physics paper NEET 2020. Booklet code is H6. The question number starts from 136. Its answer becomes 3. What is the question? The question is given that 1 meter bridge is given. So left gap using one wire of length 1.5 meter length of wire, and right gap using one resistance of value 10 ohm. This is unknown resistance X. So this is meter bridge, 1 meter long manganese wire. The balancing point is given here. So this ratio is L and 100 minus L ratio is given. L upon 100 minus L. This value is 3:2. Again, using the meter bridge experiment, X upon R, that is equals to L upon 100 minus L. So its value where X equals to R into, so L upon 100 minus L, its value is, so 10 into 3 upon 2. Then after simplification, the X value equals to 15 ohm. The question is given 1.5 meter. So this is the length of this is resistive wire. This length of wire having the resistance is 15 ohm. Then 1 ohm of wire having how much length? 1 ohm of wire having how much length? This 1 ohm of wire having length becomes 1.5 meter upon 15. So its value equals to 0.1 meter. Then answer becomes, so this is the resistance of 1 ohm wire. So this is resistance 1 ohm of this one. कट कर सकता है. Resistance 1 ohm, related length L equals to 0.1 meter. It is nothing but 1 into 10 power minus 1 meter. Question number 137. Question number 137. The question is given that the incident light on the question number 137. So incident light on this metal surface. So the threshold frequency is nu naught, but incident frequency is 1.5 times of nu naught. Incident frequency more than threshold frequency, then photoelectric effect is possible. Photoelectric effect possible. So the condition is given. If incident frequency half of initial, incident frequency is half of initial, but intensity of incident light is increases. Intensity is doubled, intensity increases. What about photoelectric current? So the frequency is halved. Then the frequency value becomes 1.5 nu naught by 2. Its value 0.75 nu naught. This value less than threshold frequency. Incident frequency is less than threshold frequency, so no photoelectric effect. No photoelectric effect. So no photoelectric effect, then photoelectric current becomes 0. Photoelectric current becomes 0 it is. No photoelectric current. So that means the question number 137 answer becomes 1. 138 question. It is the question from semiconductor. The subarticle is logic gates. But in this question, the given 2 NOT gates and 1 NOR gate. So this is A, B are inputs and Y is output. We want the truth table. So A, B. So due to not gate, this is A bar and this is B bar. Due to not gates this. Again it is NOR gate. NOR gate means not plus OR gate. So this is output. Output is 1. But first of all we using here 0 0. Inputs are 0 0. Then 0 due to NOT gate this is 1. So due to NOT gate this is also 1. 1 and 1. OR gate, if OR gate 1. NOR gate 0. Same as, so second one, using that 1 0. 1, A is 1, B is 0. This is 1. NOT gate, this is 0. And this is NOT gate, this is 1. So 0 and 1. NOR gate 1. So OR gate 1. But due to NOR gate, its value 0. Same as 0 1. That value also same. 0 and 1. So NOT gate due to 1, this is 0. 1 0. So this is 1 and 0. And why we want? In OR gate 1, but NOR gate its value 0. Again 1 and 1. So using the inputs are 1 and 1. So 1, this is NOT gate, this is 0. This is 0. So 0 0 are inputs of NOR gate. 0 0 inputs are NOR gate. In OR gate 0, but NOR gate 1. So this is the truth table. So given options, the correct option is 0 0 1. So 0 0 0 1 means option 2 is answer. 2 is correct. Question number 139. So this is question from Newton's laws of motion. One pulley is given. It is fixed position. One load is 4 kg. Another load is 6 kg attached to both ends of the string. 4 kg and 6 kg. But what is the acceleration of the system if it is freely suspended? What is the acceleration of the system? So very simple relation. So we know the formula. So G into m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m2. So this is the formula of acceleration. Very simple. This is bigger mass, suppose m1g. So this is tension T. And this is smaller mass m2g. This is tension T. So this body come down m1a. So this body moving up m1a. After simplification, m1g minus t, that is equals to m1a. And here t minus, so this body moving up, t minus m2g, this is equals to m2a. Addition of these two, these terms are cancelled. m1 minus m2 into g, that is equals to m1 plus m2 into a. So this is the formula. Acceleration g into m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2. Very simple formula it is. So this is 6 minus 4 by 6 plus 4. Its value becomes, so 2 upon 10 into g. Then acceleration g upon 5. So this is the answer of this question is D. So 4. Answer is 4 it is. Question number 140. So this is related with modern physics, atoms, molecule and nuclear. So this is the topic, and subarticle is de Broglie, dual nature. So this case, you know that energy equals to h nu, hc by lambda, and another equation equals to mc square. Using this relation, the equation is hc and lambda both are equal, hc by lambda equals to mc square. So this value equals to lambda equals to h upon mc or mv using velocity. That condition, this is mv. It is nothing but lambda equals to h upon under root 2m into kinetic energy, potential into charge. Then wavelength becomes 12.27 upon root v. So this is kinetic energy is write as potential into charge. The momentum equation under root 2m into kinetic energy. So this is the equation. We want this potential root v, that is equals to 12.27 upon upon lambda in angstrom. Lambda in angstrom. This is the value. So here lambda must be angstrom it is. So this value root v, this is equals to 12.27 upon angstrom. So this is given that wavelength is given 1.227 into 10 power minus 2 nanometer, minus 2 nanometer into 10 power minus 9. Its value becomes 12.27 upon. So this value is, so this is write as minus 2 minus 11. This is 0.1227 angstrom. After simplification, then its value becomes, after simplification, this is around 10 times. So this is 100 times. This is 100 times. Root b, this is equals to 100, where v equals to 100 square 10 power 4 volt. So answer becomes 10 power 4 volt, answer becomes 1. Question number 141. This answer is 2. So this is related with wave optics. So subarticle is telescope. So the limit of resolution, it is nothing but reciprocal of resolving power, 1 upon resolving power. But this is the limit of resolution, it is indicate d theta. This is equals to 1.22 lambda upon capital D. Lambda, wavelength of light, and D, diameter of front. So this is one telescope. The telescope diameter, this is this front, this is the lens. This lens diameter indicates D. So diameter of lens, where d theta is write as 1.22 into lambda is given. So the lambda is given 600 nanometer into 10 power minus 9. So diameter is given, it is 2 meter of diameter. So its value becomes, it is around 300. This is write as 366 into 10 power minus 9. So this is the diameter, or 3.66 into 10 power minus 7 radian it is. So this is radian, its unit is. So this is the limit of resolution. Answer becomes 2. 142. This is electrostatics. The question from electrostatic. Subarticle dielectric dipole. The question is given, this is one dipole. So this is dipole moment P. We want potential 60-degree position from the axis of the dipole at a distance 0.6 meter. This place we want the potential. So potential we want here, this position. Potential is write as dipole moment is given P. So dipole moment is given, its value equals to 16 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb meter. And again, distance is given 0.6 meter. we want potential. On equatorial line, potential becomes 0. So potential, so at this position, this angle theta, this position we want the potential. So it is write as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p cos theta upon r square. So this is the potential. So its value is substituting V equals to 9 into 10 power 9 and dipole moment 16 into 10 power minus 9 into cos 60 1 by 2 r square 0.6 whole square it is. So simplification after its value becomes, this is 8 times 30 72 upon this is 36 0.36. So potential becomes 7200 upon 36, it is 200 volt. This is the potential at P position. Answer becomes 3. Question 143, this is from semiconductors. So subarticle PN junction diode. So depletion layer means between P and N junction, between P positive or this is majority carriers are holes. Majority carriers in N type of semiconductor, this is electrons. But this is the depletion region. Covalent bonds are formed between them. To increase the depletion layer width, to increase the width of this depletion layer, the diode must be connecting in reverse bias. Reverse bias, P connected to negative terminal, N connected to positive terminal. The diode must be connecting in reverse bias. So the depletion layer width is increases. Answer becomes 3 is correct. Question number 144. So answer is 2. The question is related with, so this is AC alternating current. So electromagnetic induction. So the subarticle is alternating current. But what is the question? Given that one capacitor of capacity 40 microfarad capacitor connected to the potential is 200 volt and frequency is 50 Hz. Potential 200 volt, frequency 50 Hz supply. The RMS value of current is, here we want RMS value of current, IRMS. IRMS nothing but I naught upon root 2. You know that this is considered as E naught, peak EMF, 200 volt. This is peak EMF, this is frequency. Omega equals to 2 pi f, it is 100 pi. This is omega. Omega indicates 100 pi. So this is epsilon naught, this is 200. So this is E naught, peak EMF. In capacitor, in the AC circuit, capacitor in AC circuit, a reactance XC, it is nothing but 1 upon omega C. So this is XC. XC is write as 1 by 100 pi into capacity is nothing but 40 microfarad, 40 into 10 power minus 6. So this is XC. This is EMF, peak EMF. Then E naught upon XC. This is I naught. So E naught is 200 upon XC 1 upon. So this is nothing but 4 pi into 10 power minus 3. Its value is 200 into 4 pi into 10 power minus 3. It is nothing but I naught equals, so 8 pi into 10 power minus 1. Around it is 25.1 into 10 power minus 1. It is nothing but 2.51. So this is peak current. We want RMS, IRMS, I naught upon root 2, 2.51 upon 1.414. Its value 1.7 ampere it is. So answer becomes 2, 1.7 ampere. So question number 145, answer is 3. This is kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases. This is from kinetic theory of gases. But monoatomic gas. So monoatomic gas having 3 degrees of freedom. The thermal, so average thermal energy of monoatomic gas. Monoatomic gas average thermal energy, that is nothing but 3/2 kT. So this is thermal energy, it is energy, average thermal energy 3/2 K into T. This is Boltzmann constant. Question number 146, it is from units and measurement. Okay, the subarticle is errors. We want significant figures. So in significant figures, suppose 9.99 minus 0.0099 meter. So here this is 3 significant figures. So number of significant figures 1, 2, 3. This is 2 significant figures. In the time of subtraction, so subtraction, the majority number of significant figures are present here. So the answer must be majority significant figures. This is 1, this is 0, this is 8, 9.9 it is. So majority significant figures are 3. Here also to present the majority significant figure, this is in meter. Suppose to remove this one, 9.980 meter. But this is total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures. 5. But majority significant figures are present in answer. In answer, majority significant figures are present of given 2. But 5 is not possible. So only 3 significant figures are it requires. But 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 significant figures due to before the unit. The 0 is a significant. So 4 significant figures not we want 3 significant figure. Again to remove this 0, 9.98 meter. So this is consists of 3 significant figures. So using the significant number of figures, then the answer becomes, the correct answer becomes, so this is not a correct answer. This is not a right answer. The right answer becomes 9.98 meter. The answer 3. 147 question. This is from waves related with the subarticle is beats. From beats. So the question is given. So 2 guitars are given. One is A, another one is B. The frequency of A and B variation is given 6 beats per second. So the frequency and tension between the relation is given n proportional to root T. Where tension of B decreases, then frequency of B also decreases, directly proportional. Tension decreases, then frequency decreases. So new number of beats are 7 beats per second after decreasing the tension of B. Frequency of A remains constant. Frequency of A is 530 Hz it is. Tension decreases, then B frequency decreases. Means here number of beats decreased to 7. So that means A is bigger, NA is greater than NB. This is the condition. B decreases, beat number increases. Beat number increases. B decreases. So beat number increases. So Na greater than Nb. Initially 530 minus Nb, this is equals to 6. So the Nb value is either 524 or 536. But Na always more than Nb, the condition this is. So frequency decreases, bit number increases. So Na is greater than Nb. So Nb must be 524 it is. Not possible 536. So answer is 3. So question number 148. This is from atoms, molecule and nuclear. That means nuclear physics. Nuclear physics. One reaction is given. Uranium 235 and 92 bombarded with neutron. Then here krypton 36 and 92 plus 3 neutrons plus the material of. So we want this material. This material is just to balance the equation. Here this is 36, this is 92, this is must be 56. So this is barium, given options, barium 56, again it is 95, 235 minus 95, its value becomes 144. So answer is 2. This question is from units and measurement 149. This is from units and measurement. We want the dimensional formula of stress. Stress write as force upon area. Force, mass into acceleration upon area. So area write as length into breadth. So the dimensional formula, mass into acceleration, velocity by time. So this is length into breadth. So velocity write as displacement by time into time. So length into breadth. The dimensionally write as m1, displacement L1 upon t square to length into length L square. So the dimensional formula of stress m1 L power minus 1 t power minus 2. So answer becomes 1 it is. Question number 150. This is from kinetic theory of gases. So assumption of gases. Assumptions. Gas molecules are randomly moving and this motion is Brownian motion. So these molecules are collide with each other. So molecule collide with other molecules, collide with walls. This condition, suppose this is one molecule, collide with this molecule, collide here. Any two successive collisions, the distance between the successive collision, this is called free path. The average free path is nothing but that is mean free path. So mean free path inversely proportional to diameter. Square of diameter is mean free path proportional to 1 by d square. If size increases, distance is decreases. Size increases, distance decreases. Inversely proportional to square of diameter. And mean free path inversely proportional to density. Number of molecules are more. If number of molecules are more, then free path, freely moving distance decreases. So that means 1 upon density n. So n indicates density. Number of molecule per volume. Number of molecule per volume. This is n. Inversely proportional to density. So mean free path is proportional to 1 by d square into n. Using constant here, mean free path equals to 1 upon root 2 pi n into d square. So answer becomes, that is 3. Answer is 3. Here 151 question. The average light flux. So this is given. So flux given, that means intensity, it is nothing but energy per unit area per time. This is given. This value is given 20 watt per centimeter square. So energy per area into time, that value is given, but area is 20 centimeter square. And the energy received by the surface in a time of 1 minute. This intensity of light incident on this surface. What about the amount of energy absorbed in this time? So we want energy absorbed by that surface. Energy per area into time, its value 20 upon centimeter square 10 power minus 4 meter square. We want absorbed energy E. E equals to, so 20 into 10 power 4 into area into time it is. So energy absorbed equals to 20 into 10 power 4 into area 20 into 10 power minus 4 into time 60 minutes, 60 seconds. This value becomes 400 into 60. This is 24000. 24 into 10 power 3 joule. So this is, answer becomes 24 into 10 power 3 joule, answer becomes 4. Question number 152, answer is 4. The question is given to break the DNA, then the amount of energy required. Required energy is 10 power minus 20 joule of energy. This value converted into electron volt. This is the energy. It is converted into electron volt to multiplied E and divide E. E means 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So this is multiplied 1E, divide 1E. So then its value becomes, so this is 10 into 10 power minus 21 by 1.6 upon 10 power minus 19 electron volt it is. 6.25 into 10 power minus 2 electron volt, 0.0625 electron volt it is. It is nothing but 0.06 electron volt. Question of 153 from electrostatics. It is related with the Gauss theorem. We want the electric intensity from center to 15 centimeter distance. So this is the center. This is radius is 10 centimeter. Radius of this sphere is given 10 centimeter. The charge is given that. So charge is given. So Q equals to 3.2 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb. Distributed, the charge distributed uniformly. What is the electric intensity at a point 15 centimeter from the center of the sphere? So electric intensity here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon small r square. This is small r. This is capital R, radius of the sphere. But its value intensity 9 into 10 power 9 into charge 3.2 into 10 power minus 7 upon distance 0.15 or 15 centimeter 10 power minus 2 whole square. Its value becomes E equals to, so this is 28.8 into 10 power 2 upon 225 10 power minus 4. Its value becomes 288 into 10 power 5 upon 225. Electric intensity 1 point. So 1.28 into 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. Answer becomes 3. Question number 154. So answer is 4. But here this question from light section. So ray optics. The subarticle is prism. So one thin prism is given. When light incident on the surface with the incident angle is I, after it is passing through the prism and comes outside normal to the surface, means here emergent angle becomes 0, refracting angle at second surface 0. So first surface incident angle I and refracting angle R1. The refractive index of prism is mu, prism angle is A. The relation, basic relation is I plus E, that is equals to A plus delta. This is the deviation angle. Delta indicates deviation angle. So this is one relation. Or A equals to R1 plus R2. R1 is there. R2 becomes 0. Then R1 equals to A. So this condition, suppose in a thin prism, mu equals to sin I upon sin R. Suppose incident angle, that condition using refracting angle. If prism is thin, angles are small, I and R1 small, then sin theta equals to theta. Its value I upon R1, where I equals to mu into R1, then I equals to mu into R1, nothing but A. So this is the relation. No need this relation, but answer becomes 4. I equals to mu into A. So this 155 question, this is from semiconductor. The condition is given, coefficient of thermal conductivity. So the coefficient of thermal resistance alpha becomes positive for conductors and alpha becomes a negative for semiconductors. Due to when temperature increases, resistance decreases in semiconductor. So alpha equals to RT minus R naught upon R naught into T. Temperature increases, resistance decreases. So alpha must be negative for semiconductor. Okay. Answer 4. 156 question. This is from MEEC, magnetic effect of electric current. This is subarticle solenoid. But one solenoid is given. It is act as a one bar magnet. Current enter into one side and leave from another side. But at any one position we want magnetic induction inside the solenoid. So solenoid inside we want magnetic induction. Length of this solenoid is given and number of turns of solenoid is given and here given current also. Then induction B equals to mu naught Ni upon L. This is the solenoid induction using Ampere circuital rule. BdL equals to mu naught into N into I. B integral of dl equals to mu naught into N into I, number of turns. So mu naught Ni upon L. This is the induction given by solenoid inside. So this is Ampere circuital rule. Ampere circuital rule. So its value 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. And number of turns are given, that is 100 turns. And current becomes 2.5 ampere. Upon length is given 50 centimeter, 0.2. So its value 0.2, this is 20 times. So its value after simplification P equals to. So this is 50,000 pi into 10 power minus 7. So its value 5 pi into 10 power minus 4. So this is Okay, 20. So this is 500, 5000 pi. So its value. Number 156. This is from MEEC. Solenoid subarticle. So what is the induction inside the solenoid? Current is given and induction is along the axis. Okay, the current is given 2.5 ampere. Inside we want induction using ampere circuital rule. Ampere rule, mu naught into N into I. P integral of dl, mu naught into N into I. So B equals to mu naught Ni upon integral dl is L. So this is mu naught Ni upon L. Length is 50 centimeter, this is half meter. And induction we want. Here number of turns also given, number of turns is 50 turns. B equals to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into number of turns are 100 turns it is. Into current 2.5 upon 1 by 2. So its value is 5, 20, 2000 it is. 5, 20, 2000 pi into 10 power minus 7. Its value is 6.28 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. Answer becomes 2. This question from electrostatics. So in a space, in a region, potential is fixed, that value is given that 5 volt. This volume, so volume is given, so 0.2 meter cube. So potential is fixed, volume is 0.2. This region potential remains constant. This place, what about electric intensity? E equals to minus dV upon dx. When potential remains constant, then electric intensity becomes 0. So potential remains constant, electric intensity becomes 0. Answer becomes 2. Question number 158, it is from light section. So this is the subarticle of polarization. In polarized light, how to produce it? In the process of reflection. When light incident on the surface with an incident angle is I. Some amount of light is reflects, some amount of light is refracts. Angle between reflected and refracted light, this is 90 degree. This is reflected light and this is refracted light. This is incident angle is I. So reflecting angle also same. Refracted angle is R. We know. So what about this incident angle? Is nothing but Brewster angle. This is IP. So incident angle is nothing but Brewster angle. So Brewster angle. So tan theta P or Brewster angle, tan theta P, this is equals to mu. Tan theta P equals to mu. Any crystal refractive index is more than 1 it is. So tan theta P, its value equals to mu refractive index of this crystal. Refractive index of this crystal it is. But the incident angle, that is equals to Brewster angle it is. Incident angle, this is nothing but Brewster angle. So this is R. R is write as 180 minus, so this is 90 plus I. So R equals to 90 minus I. Sin R, this is equals to sin 90 minus I. This is cos I. So mu equals to sin I by sin R. Mu equals to sin I by sin R. So sin I upon cos I, that is tan I. This is nothing but tan I, where tan I equals to tan theta p, that is equals to mu. So mu value always greater than 1. That means mu value always greater than 1 means theta p always greater than 45. And theta p always greater than 45 and less than 90. So the maximum possible angle is 90. So less than 90. So answer becomes 4. 159. This is from electrostatics. The subarticle is capacitors. So this question, the capacity when air present in a medium 6 microfarad. When air is present, that condition the capacity is 6 microfarad. When medium presents, then the capacity equals to 30 microfarad. It's nothing but Kc equals to 30 microfarad. So K into C, that is 30 microfarad. In this condition, K value, K becomes 30 upon. So this is C. Its value equals to 5. This is the value is 5. So K value becomes 5. We want permittivity E equals to, so epsilon naught into K. This is the permittivity of medium. It's epsilon naught 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 into this value is 5. Its value 40 point. So this is 44 point. Into 10 power minus 2. 0.4425 into 10 power minus 10. This is permittivity. Answer becomes 4. Question from SHM, simple harmonic motion, oscillation topic. Oscillation. The phase difference between displacement and acceleration. You know that in simple harmonic motion or oscillatory motion, acceleration equals to minus omega square into x. Or suppose x equals to a sine omega t. Then acceleration becomes minus omega square into a into sine omega t. That means the functions, this is also sine, this is also sine, but this is positive, this is negative. Suppose the displacement graph is like this. But velocity graph is like this is velocity graph. But acceleration graph is completely opposite to the displacement. Means acceleration and displacement are opposite phase, x and a, opposite phase. Then phase difference becomes pi. Answer becomes 2. Question number 161. This is from current electricity. The topic related with the drift velocity. Subarticle is drift velocity. Drift velocity and mobility and intensity. A relation is drift velocity equals to intensity into mobility. Drift velocity equals intensity into mobility. So mobility equals to drift velocity upon intensity. The drift velocity is given that 7.5 into 10 power minus 4 meter per second upon electric intensity 3 into 10 power minus 10, its value 2.5 into 10 power 6. So this is mobility, but it is the given the units of meter per volt into second. So this is mobility. Answer becomes 162 question. It is from current electricity. So the relation between resistivity and temperature graph. So resistivity and temperature. For metals like copper, the graph must be straight line. This is straight line but not zero. So graph must be resistivity, take it on y-axis, temperature on x-axis. Graph must be straight line for conductors, copper, aluminum like. But in starting position, it is not starts from 0. Some value is there initially. But this place some curved path is there at starting position, this place. So the initially some resistivity is present. But it is originally straight line. The shape of graph is straight line. So not initial value not starts from 0. Some initially some resistivity is there. But the shape of graph is this. But given options, there are 4 different graphs are given. So these 4 graphs, the first graph is given that like this is not possible, first option is not possible. And second graph is like this is given straight line, rho and t. And third graph is given like decreasing rho and t. This is third graph not possible. And fourth graph is given. So like it is a parabolic graph, not straight line, it is a parabolic graph. But exactly the graph is straight line, certain value after it is a straight line. But here they given parabolic path. So parabolic path like this is the graph is given. So D. But it is looking like parabola, but so some value after it is compulsory, it is a straight line. Means most possible answer is B, not D. Okay, it is a parabola. Question number 163, answer is 2. This is from magnetism. A relation between susceptibility and relative permeability. So you know that susceptibility, this value is given 599. And magnetizing field. So magnetizing field H is given, that value is 1200 ampere per meter. We want what is the permeability of the material of the rod, permeability mu. So mu equals to mu naught into 1 plus susceptibility. Suppose the relative permeability it is 1 plus susceptibility. Mu equals to mu naught into 1 plus. This is permeability of air. Its value equals to 8 point. So this is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 to 1 plus 599 it is 600. 4 into 3.14 into 10 power minus 7 into 600. This is permeability of medium. So its value 2400. So into pi. So this is pi into 10 power minus 7. So answer is given 2.4 pi into 10 power minus 3. So this is mu. 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4. Answer becomes 2. Question number 164. This is from center of mass. So one rod is weightless rod is given. 2 masses are given. One side mass is 5 kg, another side mass is 10 kg. Length of the rod is 1 meter. Where the center of mass is existing here. So center of mass position we want. So 1 meter rod, center of mass position from first mass. R1. So it is write as M2 by M1 plus M2 into R it is. Very simple, the relation balancing rule M1 R1. This is suppose R2. M1 R1 equals to M2 R2. Center of mass position. So this position, the system is balanced. It satisfies balancing rule. This mass M1, this mass M2. So its value M1 R1. This is equals to M2 into R minus R1. M1 R1 equals to M2 R minus M2 R1. Where M1 plus M2. into R1. This is equals to M2 into R. Where R1 equals to M2 by M1 plus M2 into R. M2 by M1 plus M2 into R. 10 upon 15 into R1 meter. This is R1. Its value 2 by 3. R1 equals to 0.66. Its value is, so write as 66.6, approximately 67 centimeter. It is right in centimeter. This is in meter. So answer is 4. Question number 165. This is from semiconductor. Subarticle is transistor. This question from semiconductor transistor subarticle. Transistor, there are 3 regions are there. So this is emitter, base and collector. Suppose PNP transistor. Emitter heavily doped, base lessly doped, collector moderately doped. PNP, this is N. Majority carriers are electrons. So this is emitter heavily doped and collector moderately doped, and base thin and less doped. Its size is very less and less doping. And again, emitter and base combination always forward bias. Base and collector always connecting in reverse bias. So this is in reverse bias. This is in forward bias. This is in reverse bias. Given options, the first option is correct. Base is thin and base is, so it is less doped. Question number 166, answer is 4. So this is related with the rotational motion, or it is related with vectors also. Torque we want. So torque is simply write as R bar cross F bar. So position vector and force cross product indicates torque. R bar is given, position vector is given, that is 2k, and force is given 3 j cap. So using det R bar cross F bar, det calculation, I j k plus minus plus. So R, position vector 0 0 2 and force 0 3 0. Cross product of this term I into 0 minus 6. So this is a torque value minus j into 0 minus 0 plus k into 0 minus 0. So torque is right as, so this cross product torque equals to minus 6j. So this is torque 6j Newton into meter is the units. Option becomes 4. Question number 167. This is from current electricity. So what is the carbon resistance? Carbon resistance. So this is carbon resistor is one artificial resistor. It is like a capsule shape. There are 4 colored bands are there. First 2 colored bands gives first 2 digits of resistance. Third band gives tolerant. So third band gives power of 10 and fourth band gives tolerance. The simple logic BBROY, Great BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. This is the logic. B indicates this is 0 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is first color black. So second color brown, red, orange, yellow, and this is gray. So this is gray. This is white. Last color is white. So first two digits. So first two colors indicates first two digits of resistance. First color is yellow. Next color is violet. Next is brown. Next is gold. Gold indicates tolerance. Tolerance is 5% error. And yellow color indicates that is, yellow indicates this is 4. And violet indicates 7. Into third color indicates 10 power of 10. So this is brown. So brown indicates this is 10 power 1. This is 10 power 0, 10 power 2. So this is third color. So 10 power 1 it is. That means resistance is 470 plus or minus. This is 5% is error. This is the resistance of artificial resistor or carbon resistor. Simple question, answer becomes 1. So question number 168. This is from one-dimensional kinematics, one-dimensional motion. So a body is thrown vertically with a velocity is given 20 meters per second. Finally, it is hit the ground with a velocity of 80 meters per second certain time after. Here the acceleration plus z. So what is the height of this tower? We want this height of the tower. Using the basic phenomena, basic formula v square minus u square equals to 2as. 80 square minus 20 square equals to 2 into g into s. That is it. So its value 6,400, 6,000 equals to 20. Height equals to 300 meters. So, answer is 1. This question from surface tension. The subarticle is capillarity. So in a capillary tube dipped into this water, liquid rises up to certain height. Rises up to certain height. So this is h height, it is rises. Radius of this capillary tube is r. Liquid rises means upward force. Upward force is equals to downward weight. Liquid rises up to certain height, after it is stopped. Then upward force is equals to downward weight it is. So this is the condition. Upward force 2 pi r circumference into t cos theta. This is t. This direction it is t cos theta. This is equals to mg, where t constant, r 2 pi constant, t constant, cos theta constant, r proponents to m. Then m1 upon m2, r1 upon r2. Suppose using double radius of the tube, that condition, the mass raised in the capillary tube is 2m. Where m2 equals to 2 into m, that is 10 gram. M value is given. So 5 gram of mass raised when radius r is. When r radius of the tube, 5 gram is raised. Radius is doubled. Radius is doubled. That condition, the raised liquid, the amount of liquid raised in the tube is 2m. So that is 10 gram. Answer becomes 4. Question number 170. So answer becomes 3. This 170 question, very simple question. Using Einstein equation, this mass related energy we want. 0.5 gram of mass related energy equals to mc square. 0.5 gram into 10 power minus 3 into c square, 9 into 10 power 60. Its value equals to 4.5 into 10 power 13 joule of energy. this mass related energy. Answer is 3. Question number 171. This is from kinetic theory of gases. So this is one cylinder. An identical cylinder is joined to the first cylinder, but initially closed using a tap. This cylinder consists of some amount of gas, pressure P, volume V, temperature T. When this tap is removed, some amount of gas is moved from here to here. The tap is removed. When tap is removed, the gas enter from first cylinder to second cylinder. Means pressure decreases, volume increases. In this condition, gas expands, but surrounding completely insulated material, no supplying of heat. Then gas expands, compulsory the temperature of the substance decreases. Temperature decreases it is. It is not isothermal. That means the temperature decreases, temperature it changes. So it is must be adiabatic. Heat remains constant here. Heat remains constant. Pressure changes, volume changes, temperature changes, but heat remains constant. So it is adiabatic process. Answer becomes 3. This is of instruments. This is 172. It is related with first topic, instruments. This is subarticle is screw gauge. We know that least count of screw gauge. This is nothing but pitch of screw upon number of head scale divisions. Least count is given 0.01 millimeter. This is equals to pitch of screw upon number of head scale divisions are 50. This is 0.50 millimeter. Is nothing but pitch of screw it is. We want pitch of the screw, so its value becomes 0.5 millimeter. Answer becomes 4. This is related with wave optics, the 173 question from wave optics. Subarticle is interference. So the condition is given bandwidth beta equals to lambda capital D by D. If D value changes and small d also changes, the distance between the slits halved and distance between slit and screen. This is slits between the distance small d. Distance between slit and screen is capital D. This value is doubled and this value is halved. So 2d upon d by 2. Then beta dash equals to 4 lambda capital D upon small d. So beta dash equals to 4 times of beta. New bandwidth is increases to 4 times. Answer becomes 4. Rotation. Weight on the surface of earth. This position weight is given. That weight is 72 Newton. This value equals to G capital M small m upon R square is 72. Suppose the person height equals to R upon 2. This position, what is the height of this person? So the weight of the person. At a h height, weight of the person, this is right as G capital M small m upon R plus h whole square. Its value G capital M small m upon R plus R by 2 whole square. This is mg dash, it is write as gmm upon 3r by 2 whole square. It is 4 upon 9. G capital M small m upon r square, its value equals to 4 by 9 into 72. So the new weight at h height, the weight becomes, this is 32 Newton. 32 Newton. Answer becomes 3. The question number 175, this is from electromagnetic wave. Magnetic wave. So electromagnetic wave produces time varying electric field as well as magnetic field. So the components of electric and magnetic fields, these two providing intensities are equal. Electric field intensity and magnetic field intensity both are equal. So then the speed remains, speed is constant and it is, so moving straight line path. Then intensity of electric field and intensity of magnetic field, this ratio always 1. So equally shared the components, intensity of electric and intensity of magnetic field, both intensities are equalities. So 175 answer becomes 3. 176, the quantities of heat required to raise the temperature of 2 solid copper spheres, one sphere of radius r1, another radius, so r1 is bigger, r2 is smaller. So r2 and r1, r1 is 1.5 times of r2. Amount of heat required to rise the temperature 1 Kelvin, delta theta equals to 1 Kelvin. Specific heat's constant same due to it is a copper. Then delta Q directly proportional to mass. Mass of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube into density. Delta Q proportional to r cube density. So amount of heat ratio, this is Q1 by Q2. R1 cube upon R2 cube it is. Amount of heat's ratio, R1 is write as 1.5 into R2 whole cube upon R2 cube. Then delta Q1 upon delta Q2. Its value R2 cube is cancelled. So 1.5 whole cube, this is nothing but 3 by 2 whole cube. Its value 27:8 it is. Answer becomes 27 by 8. Option is 2 correct. This question 177, this question from AC current, alternating current. In LCR series combination, L, C and R series combination, inductor, capacitor and resistor series combination. So when inductor is removed, capacitor and resistor only present, this condition, phase difference between current and EMF pi by 3. So L removed. When C removed, capacitor is removed, inductor and resistor only present, LR circuit. So this is LR circuit. This is CR circuit. Here also phase difference becomes pi by 3. Then we want power factor. So power factor cos pi, here the condition is, so cos pi is write as, this is R, this is XC, this is XC, this is XL. So the initial condition, the phase difference pi, this is cos pi is write as R upon Z. Its value R upon the value becomes r upon z value under root of xc square plus r square. So this is cos pi is given 1 by, so this is pi by 3 means cos 60 1 by 2. So the value is 2r whole square equals to xc square plus r square, where xc equals to, this is 4r square, this is nothing but root 3r. This is xc it is. Same as here, cos pi r upon z. Z is write as here under root xl square plus r square. This value also same, cos 60 1 by 2. 2r whole square, that means 4r square, that is equals to xl square plus r square, where xl square equals to 3r square, this is root 3r. xl and xc are equal, xl and xc are equal. So this is resonating circuit. Resonating circuit. That means we want power factor. Power factor nothing but cos pi. Resonating circuit cos pi must be z is equals to r. Then r by z, its value becomes 1. Resonating circuit, z value equals to r. Then cos pi, this is called power factor, that is equals to 1. Answer becomes 1. Option is 4. Question number 178. The cylinder contains, this is also KT is the kinetic theory of gases. So this is, the pressure is given 249 kilopascal, 10 power 3 Pascal it is. And temperature is given 27 degrees centigrade, it is converted into Kelvin, 300 Kelvin. Again, universal gas constant R value 8.314 joule per mole degree centigrade. Then we want what is the density. You know that ideal gas equation P into V equals to nRT. This equation is simplified. P into volume write as mass upon density. Number of moles write as mass upon molecular weight into RT. Then P upon rho, RT upon M. So this is also ideal gas equation. We want density. Density is write as P into molecular weight upon R into T. So rho is write as P 249 into 10 power 3 into molecular weight 2. Hydrogen molecular weight 2, but it is in gram. So it is write as 2 into 10 power minus 3 upon R 8.314 into temperature. Temperature is 300 it is. So density equals to, its value 18.5. So this is 9. Okay. 498 into 10 power minus 3 is cancelled. Its value becomes, this is 300, this is 312, 4, 9, 24. So its value becomes 3494. Its value 0 point. This is approximately, this is write as 1 by 5. So this value 0.2 density kilogram per meter cube. Answer becomes 0.2 kilogram per meter cube. Option is 3. This question from elasticity. From elasticity topic. Without load, a wire of length is given L, area of cross section A. With load, this wire elongates due to this load M. So what is the Young's modulus of this material? This wire Young's modulus. Young's modulus equals to FL upon A into E. E indicates elongation. Y equals to F write as mg into L upon area A into final length L1. Means here elongation L1 minus L. So it is L1 minus L. This is the Young's modulus. mgl upon A into L1 minus L. Answer becomes 1. This is the 180th question. This 180th question, it is, answer is 1. So Bohr's postulate, that means it is from atoms, molecule and nuclei topic. So Bohr's postulate, there are 3 postulates are there. These postulates only hydrogen atom, so perfectly obeyed. That means outer orbit having single electron. These type of atoms only obeyed this Bohr's 3 postulates. Outer orbit having only single electron, that means suppose proton, or it is nothing but a hydrogen atom, and a deuterium, so H12, outer orbit only 1 electron, and tritium, that is also outer orbit 1 electron. So these are obeyed. And singly ionized helium atom, singly ionized helium. So this condition, helium also outer orbit having only 1 electron, singly ionized. So that means these, so proton means hydrogen atom, and deuterium and alpha particle or singly ionized helium nucleus are obeyed. So not obeyed for neon plus. This is Bohr's postulates, not applicable for this atom. So answer becomes 1.